right. Today, we hit 40 degrees. Today was average, and that was the problem. We were just not cold enough to produce much snow out of that whole thing. And right now, it's still above the freezing mark in Boston, 36 degrees. A little bit of a breeze out there. That breeze is not that strong, which means we're not going to dry out a lot of the puddles that are out there, and that means some issues tonight as we bring in the colder air. So you'll see that we have still a little bit of rain shower activity down toward the islands, a little bit of snow kind of popping up out to the west. We're wrapping this thing up, though, pretty quickly. And the issue we have tonight is, well, the snow is going to be ending. There's going to be some black ice out there, and there could be a few slippery spots as lows drop off pretty much into the 20s overnight tonight. But tomorrow, we do get some sunshine back in here. There'll be a slow melt going on and temperatures as warm as today, but it will feel a whole lot better because we have the sunshine back in here. So let's talk about our next system coming in. It comes in on Friday. Here's the issue we have. This was originally looking like it was going to be Friday night. Now it's looking like during the day on Friday. And like we had today, we have to overcome the sun angle, the heat that we're talking about. The only thing we might get this low down here to the south to be just strong enough to pull some cold air in. Otherwise, this one could end up being rain. Now, it's not going to look like a big event anyway, but I would say probably a good 1 to 3 inches of snow. It starts off at about 10 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures are just barely cold enough, and then we kind of stay that way all day long. So some snow showers, some rain showers. This is 6 o'clock on Friday night, and actually the chances for snow will continue all the way into Saturday morning. So even though we're talking about an event that's going to last probably close to 20 hours, it isn't accumulating a whole lot just because the cold air is not in place. So I'm looking at generally about a 1 to 3 inch total for Boston out through Worcester. North of Route 2, we could see 3 to 5. Down to the south, it's probably going to be more rain or snowflakes melting on contact. Then we turn our attention to what's going to happen on Monday. Two computer models I look at this time, the European and the GFS. If you remember, the GFS, the U.S. model, was saying this was going to be a blockbuster of a storm a couple of days ago. Now it's kind of trending a little ways away from the benchmark. The benchmark is the optimum location you want for a low-pressure system to track across and get some heavy snows. The European really has not been buying into this situation anyway, so it's kind of been tracking it's out of here. Now, last night, as snowfall totals were concerned, the GFS was saying Boston could get 17 inches of snow. Guess what it did today? Jogged it east and said, make that 1 inch of snow. Most of the snow down over the southeastern part of the state. And the European, which did have a little bit on it yesterday, even pulled that out. So somewhere in between lies the solution to this one. But remember, with these computer models, these are not forecasts. What they do is they kind of come up with raw numbers. Initially, they're high, then they go low. Then they go a little bit this way and a little bit that way until eventually they settle on a solution. And that's what we'll be watching for the rest of this week to get you a more accurate forecast of how much snow will fall. Friday, we've got that rain snow in here. Saturday, some slow clearing going on. We'll likely have a few flurries early in the morning, and then Sunday, a few flurries coming in. And then Sunday night into Monday is that chance for that storm to come in here. But it's really only a chance right now. And then after it goes through, we're going to go to sunshine and maybe a little bit of a warming trend as we head for the middle of next week. So some more melting into the forecast as long as we don't get slammed on Monday.